This is the morning report. Gives you the long and the short. Every grunt, roar and snort. Not a tale I distort. On the morning report.
Happy Monday, everybody. Another Monday of learning from home, and how much fun are we having? Right, have a little look at the date at the top of the page. We know it's Monday, but have a look, see if you can read the rest of the date. Monday, the 27th of April 2020. Yeah, we're still in the month of April. Very, very soon though, it will be a new month. Does anybody know what month comes after April? Let's say the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May. Well done. May will be our next month. Now I want you to have a little look outside and have a think about what the weather's doing today. We have had some beautiful, beautiful weather lately, really warm, sunny weather, but the forecast says that it is due to change this week and we are due to have some rain and it's getting a little bit more chilly. So have a look outside your window, see if that forecast is correct and have a think about what the weather is doing. Remember, even though it's been super, super hot and sunny, we are still in the season of spring. It is not the summer yet, it's still springtime, okay? So have lots of fun thinking about our seasons, our days of the week and our weather. And there are some links at the bottom to help you with this learning.
Hi everybody. Last week we were learning all about the life cycle of a frog. Okay, this week we're going to be learning about the life cycle of a caterpillar or the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so a caterpillar is a type of mini beast. Have you heard of the word mini beast before? I think you have, because we learn all about it in forest school. Now, a mini beast is a small animal that does not have a skeleton inside their body. So we have skeletons, don't we? We have bones inside our body and a backbone. Mini beasts, like caterpillars, they don't have that, okay? They're different. Another word for mini beast is an insect or a bug, okay? Our Makaton of the week this week is a butterfly, because we're learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. Do you want to have a go with me? What we do is today's sign is butterfly. Cross your thumbs over like that, and then we do butterfly wings like that. Today's sign is butterfly. Fantastic. And our story of the week is The Hungry Caterpillar. It's another one that we know quite well because I have read it before. However, have another little listen to it and you will see how a caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly. A caterpillar turns into a cocoon, and then a cocoon hatches into a beautiful butterfly.
Clock, knock, duck. Clock, knock, duck. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock. What's this sound? Tick tock, tock, tock. It's a clock, it's a clock. Clock says tick tock, tick tock, tock. Knock, 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 knock. What's this sound? Knock, 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 knock. It is Jack, it is Jack. Jack did knock and knock, knock, knock. Quack, 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 quack. What's this sound? Quack, 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 quack. It's a duck, it's a duck. Duck says quack, 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 quack. Hi, I'm Millie and today we're making A sounds. Come and make some words with me. A, rain. S, A, sail. P, pain. T, A, tail.
Now, as I said last week, on a Monday, our literacy is going to be based all around phonics. So it's going to be phonic reading and phonic writing, okay? So the first slide we have here is our phase 2 phonics. And if you come to our school and you are in the rabbits or the squirrels group, this is the work that is suited to you. Everyone else can have a go if you want to, okay? We can all join in. So first of all, this is what we're going to do. We're going to look at the pictures and say the word. So you say what you see. Ask a grown-up to listen to make sure you have got the word correct. And underneath each word is a phoneme frame telling you how many sounds you need to put in that frame to make the word. The first thing you need to do when you've said the word, so I'm going to give you the example of the first one, which is tap. When you said the word tap, I want you to use your sound talk to an adult to sound it out. Let's see if we can hear what sounds we need to make the word tap. Are we ready? T, a, p, tap. So we've got 3 sounds in the word tap and we need a t, a, p. So when you have sound talk, you can have a little go at writing the word tap. You can use your phoneme mat and your sound mat to help you if you can't remember what the letters look like. But have a really good go and use that really good sound talk, okay? Right, here we have some more phase 2 activities. This is for the hedgehogs and the owls. Remember, even if you have started to learn your phase 3 sounds, it's really good that you use your phase 2 sounds in your application, in your reading and writing, to make sure it stays in your brain, okay? So here we have 4 pictures, 4 little phonic pictures, and I want you to think about what the caption is to match the picture. So I will help you to make sure that you know what you should be writing, because we need to make sure we are using the correct words that you already know how to spell, because we want some nice independent writing. So have a little look down, see if you can have a guess first. You can pause the morning report while you have a little chat about them, and then I'm going to tell you what you should be writing, okay? These are our captions for today. So the first one is a little pup, so it's pup in the mud. Let's see how many words. Pup in the mud. So we've got pup in the mud. The next picture is a picture of mugs and cups. 3 words. Mugs and cups. Super. Then we have the third picture, egg in a cup. 4 words. Egg in a cup. 4 words. Well done. And the last one is run to the den. Another 4 words. Run to the den. So now you've heard me talk about the caption, I want you to see if you can have a little go at writing them in the correct order. The foxes had a little go at this kind of activity last week. These are sentences that have been all jumbled up, and so we need to put them in the correct order. Now, last week, remember I told you that there are some tricks that can help you with your reading when you're looking at sorting these sentences out. The first trick, have a little think what I told you. Can you remember? That's it. Because the sentence starts with a capital letter, we need to spot the word with the capital letter. And we know that the last word is going to have the full stop at the end, and that makes the sentence. Remember also, the words need to be in the correct order so the sentence makes sense. When we read it, it sounds correct, okay? So there are 2 little scrambled sentences for you to have a go at. First of all, if the grown-ups can write the mixed up words for you and you could cut them into little words, you could have a go at jumbling them up and then trying to put them in the correct order with your parents helping you. Then you can have a go at copying it and writing down yourself. And you can have a go at drawing a picture to match to make sure you understand what the sentence means. These are our phase 3 words, okay? So use your phonemes that you know from phase 3 and have a really good go yourself. I'm not going to give you any clues today. I want you to go away and see if you can sort out this little problem.
Okay, this week we are going to be practicing making tally charts. So I would like you to go on YouTube or click on the links in the top corner to see my maths lessons. I want you to watch part 1 and part 2 to learn how to do this week's challenges. Okay, our shape this week is a 3D shape, which means it's a fat shape, not a flat shape. Okay, our shape this week begins with the sound S. Our shape this week looks like a ball or a earth. Okay, what do you think our shape is this week? Well done. Our shape this week is a sphere. Can you say sphere? Sphere. Well done. Fantastic. Now, I would like you to have a go today at making your own sphere, okay? If you have Play-Doh, you can use that. If you don't have any Play-Doh, I've put an easy-ish recipe to make your own homemade Play-Doh, okay? And that's just down in the bottom corner. So click on that link and it'll give you all the ingredients on how to make Play-Doh to make your own sphere. Our value this week is compassion, and Miss Hicks has put us together some really lovely tasks to do with compassion. Okay, so compassion means caring about others and helping people that are in need, people or animals that are in need. Okay, now your task today is to draw a compassion tree with help from your mum or your dad or your grown-up that's helping you on a tree. and add some leaves to show ways that we can show some compassion, So some examples are playing with others or hugging others, giving children a toy that maybe don't have as many toys as you, or using kind words, okay? How many other things can you think of to add to your tree? Your physical task this week is to do with a sphere, our shape of the week, okay? Now you need to cut out some rings or hoops from maybe a toilet roll or a kitchen roll, and you need to get your sphere through each of the hoops, okay? Have a look at the link to make it a little bit clearer of what you need to do for this task.
So last week we started our new topic on life cycles. Can you remember the life cycle that we looked at last week? Well done, it's tadpoles and frogs. It's a life cycle of the frog. And then the life cycle for our topic this week is a new life cycle that Miss Hollinshead has told us all about. Can you remember? Well done, the butterfly. So we're going to learn all about the life cycle of the butterfly this week. And if you look on our Facebook page, and we will put more videos on YouTube, you will be able to see what exciting things we have in store. Have a fab day, work hard, play hard, and most importantly, remember, have lots of fun. Bye.